Hey guys, welcome back, and I'm here with my little sister again, Kaylee, and today we're gonna be cutting all of this length off. How much do you want to cut off, Kaylee?
To my shoulders.
To your shoulders. Okay, so we're gonna be doing that today. We're also gonna be measuring out, and if it reaches 10 inches, we're gonna be donating it to Locks of Love. Does that sound good? Yeah? Okay, so we're gonna get started. And I thought it was going to be a good idea to donate it because when I was her age, I actually did the same thing and donated my hair. So we're going to do that and give a little girl your hair who needs some hair, okay? We are going to start with measuring out her hair and putting it in a ponytail. We just washed it and cleaned it because that's what they wanted to do, to donate it. So I'm just going to be doing like a dry cut on her because for me to wet it again and then blow dry it, she's not going to have that. So we're just going to be doing a dry cut today. Okay, let's go. And Locks of Love either wants it in a ponytail or a braid, so I think I'm going to put it in a ponytail first and then braid it so not all the hairs can like be together and there's no loose hairs. So let's start with that. I have my measuring tape right here. Hold it. Let's see where her ends are. Okay, so now that I have kind of like an idea of what the 10 inches is going to be like, I'm going to brush her hair back into a ponytail and place the ponytail right where I measured the 10 inches. So let's see. It's going to be a pretty loose ponytail up until where I measured the 10 inches, which is roughly here. Sit up straight so now it's most important when you're cutting hair, you want your client to be sitting up straight, feet uncrossed so that your hair can be even. So that's about good. And I'm going to remeasure it just to make sure. She does have like really long hair. Maybe we could get 11 or 12 inches in there. We'll see. So the very end of her hair at the longest piece actually reaches to about like 12, 13. So I think we're going to go with that. Just make sure, sit up straight, make sure that this is the length that she wants. I bring it down just a bit. Let's see. Right there should be about good because we're cutting it right to our shoulders. I want to make it like a little bit longer because I know that when you cut your hair in a ponytail like this, it is all sorts of kind of unevens. So yeah, we're gonna leave some space and that can be even here. Before I go to cut it, I'm going to separate it into 3 strands and braid it so it's nice and neat and no stray pieces fall out at the end. Make sure it's nice and secure. Okay, so now we're ready for the big chop. I'm just gonna sit up straight, nice and tall. Okay, we have our scissors right here, or our shears as we call them. I'm just gonna go in and cut it. This is gonna be a really weird angle to go at. It's gonna be so thick. Let's see. Could have done it in like 2 pieces. Probably should have done it in 2 pieces. I'm gonna go like this first. And here we have it. Look, Kaylee, let me see your face. Come here, look. What do you think? Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I like it.
You like it? Yeah. Okay, well there it is. Now we're just gonna go and make it even. Here you go. Okay guys, we just finished the big chop. And I'm just gonna go ahead and go through all of this and basically make it all even because sit up straight, Kaylee, nice and tall. All this is so uneven due to the ponytail, so we're just gonna go in it,
like
section it off, and make it all straight. So first thing that you want to do in just like a simple haircut is part your hair into 4 sections. So what you want to do, you want to create a T-parting, which is basically the center down the middle and ear to ear. But with her, I'm going to leave her natural part as it is because if I were to do like a middle section and then bring her part over, this hair right here would be much shorter, and like we just want nice and even, so depending on your client or whoever you're doing this on, you can go by their preference. If they wear the hair either side, just do the T-parting right down the middle. So we're just going to find her parting, her natural part, which is about there. Just like the side part. I'm going to even that up a bit. I'm going to take my rat tail comb, it's just the easiest, and then turn this way. So go ahead and just clean up this part. And see where the hair falls. Okay, so right about there, and she has like a little cowlick right here, the top of her head. So I'm just going to leave that, and then I'm going to go in the middle and part this down the middle. And then just section it off. Okay, so now that I did the front to back parting straight down the middle, well, with her natural parting, then I brought it down to the middle so that the back will be even. We're going to do ear to ear. So basically, right at the top of her head, the apex of her head, you could find that by putting the comb down actually and see where it balances. Isn't that funny?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see. So we're going to go straight here, all the way to the back of her ear. Right here. You see that? So
Just poked me in the eye.
I poked you in the eye? Sorry. So we're going to go ahead, clean up the parting. Doesn't have to be too perfect because we're going to even it up anyways and cut it. Okay, and then just you want to just section that off. Okay, so we're back and we have our 4 sections. 2 in the back, 2 in the front. As you can see, look down. And now your parting, you should have one. This is our part, but we're going to go down straight back and then ear to ear. So that's what your parting should look like. And then what you want to do is just take down your back 2, and we're going to start evening up this back right here. Okay, so now I'm back and we actually switched spots because I'm a right-handed. It's gonna be, you guys are gonna be able to see it a lot better. But I am gonna be using my shears and my rat comb, and then I also have this cape that I'm gonna put on her so she doesn't get hair all over her. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna be taking like V partings almost. I'm gonna go down at an angle to follow the shape of her head when we start the guideline to a haircut. Can you see the angle right there? Just gonna go straight down. And we're gonna do the same thing right on this side, angling the parting down. So right now I'm gonna be establishing the guideline. So the guideline is just basically, you're gonna set how short you actually want the haircut to be so that when you bring down the rest of the hair, you could match it up to this and they can be all even. So I need you to stand up straight and tall so I can see how short I want this. I don't know how good you guys can see that because it's dark brown on this black. But I'm just going to go ahead, take other V partings all the way up until we're at the top. So I'm going to show you one more time. Taking this V parting, taking it down, and not that much of a difference. And then I'm going to go in, go to the middle right here, find my guideline. So it's pretty much even. See my guideline's right about here. So I'm just going to go ahead, kind of chop that off. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and do that on the other side and all the way through her hair, and I'll get back to you when we go to the sides. Okay guys, we are back, and I just finished up evening out the hair as much as she would let me. She is 9, and you know how 9-year-olds are, they're getting antsy, and the black cape did come off, so we're just going to be working like this. I told her she's going to get hair all over her, but it is what it is, I guess. So we're going to go ahead and go and do the sides. I'm just going to be taking cross sections like this and matching it up with this, having her like turn her head this way because right here is the problem area because her shoulder's right there. I'm going to be showing you, but I'm just going to take cross sections all the way up until we have it even. Okay, so we have our first section right here. What I have her do is just turn her head like that so we could get past that shoulder. Sit up nice and tall. What we're going to do is just take that side. We're going to come to the front and make sure that's even in the front. So we're going to go ahead and do that all the way up, taking those side sections right across and going and doing that. So I'll come back to you once we're done. Okay guys, we're back and we finished the haircut. We cut both sides to the same technique. Just take the sections and even it out. Have our head turn this way so you can get the shoulder part. Turn this way, get the shoulder part, make sure it's even. So here we go. We're going to reveal how short she actually went. You ready, Kaylee?
Mm-hmm.
3, 2, 1. Shake your head. Look, oh my goodness. Let me fix it for you. So we went this short right up at her shoulders. Did a little bit angling right here to frame her face, not too much. She didn't want it all even, but yep. That's what we did. We did the big chop. So this is her hair right here. Hold it up. Let's measure it. So we got our measuring tape. Go right to the top. Now, where is it at?
13.
12, almost 13 inches right there. Thanks for watching, guys. We did a little cut. A simple tutorial on how to cut hair, not that in-depth because she's a 9-year-old. Doesn't want to be sitting still for that long. But yeah, see you guys till next time.
Bye.
Goodbye.